You are going to love the 2019 Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is packed to the gills with luxurious features, yet retains the off-road prowess and rugged, durable nature it's known for. The Land Cruiser's power comes exclusively from a 5.7-liter V8 that churns out 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque, and is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.